the Lord. Yeah, this is Wanga Richard, Chairperson, Christian Union. I'm very glad to have this time with you. As a Christian Union Fellowship here at UCC Tororo, we do a lot of activity whereby we aim at the spiritual part of it, making men and women of God being productive spiritually. For my case, allow me just talk about the objective of CU, of Christian Union UCC Tororo. We have discipleship where we come up with the strengthening and shaping the servant of the Lord to be used more and more and knowing their callings. Then we have also evangelism part of it, whereby we have the missions outreach, where we come to get to some other people outside there in different places. I can talk about even this semester's lay program. We are moving to Namutumba district for the mission beyond, where we expecting much from the Lord, where we expecting a transformation of many to be transformed according to God's will. Then we have also we have leadership discipleship, leadership development, whereby we make sure we try our level best to see that men and women who come to UCC, they are also discipled, they are trained to be good leaders, they are trained to lead some other people in different posts. I think those are the main aim of this Christian Union. Then we have the prospects of Christian Union to work together with other Christian associations at the campus and various CUs in the study region and the local churches to build our love and faith. Then we have to reach out also to the college students with the gospel of our Lord Jesus Christ. We have also to participate in the annual evangelism missions together with the other colleges and universities. We have also generate income for CU through feasible projects. And another one, to continue attending Christian conferences together with some other believers. Then you have also to purchase full set of machines. Another one, working together with the local churches to reach out to the local communities. Then you have to build a relationship, more of a stronger one, with the committed Christian staff at the college. Another one is to reach out to the needy and pray for the sick in Tororo main hospital. With that, allow me just talk about the relationship with our beloved Pastor Elkas. He's a good man who has been with us. He's a committed man of God who has been really committed to see you, and we have really seen his love to us. Just recently, he guided us in different parts of how to come up with something concerning the mission, intermission colleges, and something of that sort. So we thank the Lord so much for that man of God. He has been with us and he has been our mentor. Most of the time, he's ever with us. So we give God the glory for that.